Come on, what's up guys, you're playing on Farton and this my friend we're the first time gamers. I'm gonna read this into for my okay. This is my friend of new jammer and I'm this jammer 343 today. I'm playing of this with 2 times only one. I would just like it through there. This there, and we do some play of my friends, and I got one of the body list, and see, we're mini god. So yeah, okay. So do the game of this of here, my friend. I adopt him this time. You should see. and then this is a 4. Okay, awesome. So yeah, we need to play off this offing. So yeah, we are the parent of how did you point? Okay, so the playoff later then future of then see, and yeah, you really need to go. I'm gonna do this and alright, player did play. This the code of the AJB Day 5 of 8 is this code for birthday cake of Animal Jam 5th. This AJB Day 5 on 2016 works for 2016. You can enter this code. You will enter with AJB Day 5. You will see this AJB Day 5. You will be that summon with this code offer. So you will play of this game of this subscribing me and comment share of this. So goodbye.